If your WordPress site is slow, don't install more plugins. That's the mistake most people make. Let me show you 3 simple steps that can tremendously improve your website speed. WordPress website speed. As a part of my job, I daily help many users with many WordPress issues. I have seen many times people say my website is slow and then they install 5 more plugins. Actually, that makes it worse. In most cases, the problem is simple. Let's go one by one. Solution 1. Remove your unnecessary plugins. So first what you have to do is check your plugins. Go to plugins, install plugins. If you see plugins that you are not using, deactivate and delete them. Every plugins add loads to your site. Even if it looks small, it affects your site performance. So when you are in your installed plugin list, you can see these are you can go to this tab to see what are the plugins that are not active. So click here and choose them all and go to this option and deactivate them and delete them all. Solution 2. Fix your images. So second, what you have to do is check your images. Many sites upload large size of images that will slow down your site immediately. Before uploading your images, compress them. You can use tools like TinyPNG or any other image compression tools to compress your image size without losing the quality of your images. The same you have to do for your videos. For example, this is one of my client site and this was the results when I scanned his site after he finished the site. So as you see, it's not a good results or the speed is not good enough. So then I went to his home page and checked the site. I found out now this hero section is an image, but it was a video. So when I checked this site first, that video in this hero section was like 75 MB in sizes. So when the site is loads, it should loads the video first, and it will take time. That will automatically slow down the site. So what I did was I compressed this 75 MB video under 7 MB and then results was this. So as you can see, just by compressing the video without losing its quality, the site speed improved tremendously. Solution 3. Fix your hosting. If your hosting is slow, nothing else will fix your site. Even if you optimize everything in your site, a bad hosting will slow down your website. This is one of the biggest problems out there because hosting is not cheap, or you can find cheaper solution, but that will not be good enough to host a very good site with good performance or speed. So when you choose your hosting, try to choose one hosting plan that includes WordPress optimized hosting plan. Nowadays, many hostings offers WordPress optimized hosting plans. So this is how you can see when you go to a hosting plan pages, you can see something like this here. So as you can see, they have a dedicated plan just for WordPress. So this is the list I made personally for my use. I'm not going to talk deeply about the hosting comparison in this video, but if you need one, let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate video comparing the hostings that can help to speed up your websites, WordPress websites. If you fix these 3 things, you will see a big improvement in your site performance, in your site speed. In many cases, this alone make your site really faster. You may think, is that all I have to do to speed up my site? No, there are many other facts, but these are the main points you have to take in consideration. But if you want to know other reasons that may slow down your website, let me know that in the comment section also. I will create a very detailed video for that. Okay, let's say if you fix all these and still if your site is slow, I can check it and fix it for you. Message me using the link in the description. I'll take a look and tell you what you can do and how you can do to improve your WordPress site speed. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.